Hi, in this video, I will show you how to share your Wi-Fi password with QR code on Samsung Mobile. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how you can easily share your Samsung Mobile connected Wi-Fi with QR code. Go to your Samsung Mobile settings app and tap on connections, tap on Wi-Fi, and here search for the connected network that currently you are using. Just tap on the settings icon next to the Wi-Fi, and here you will find this QR code option at the bottom left corner. Just tap on QR code to generate a QR code for the Wi-Fi and verify your Samsung device pattern. And here we can see a QR code generated for the specific Wi-Fi network. Now you can share the Wi-Fi by tapping on share, and you will be able to select options to share your Wi-Fi QR code with your friends or families. And now, for example, I'm going to saving this QR code in my gallery. Going to my gallery, and here is the QR code. And now I'm going to opening my another phone. So here's I'm on my another phone, and now I will connect to the Wi-Fi using this QR code. So I'm going to opening my control center and here tapping on code scanner. Once my code scanner opened, I'm going to scanning this QR code, and as you can see my Wi-Fi, as you can see the Wi-Fi network shows. I'm just tapping on join, and then let's see what happens. Going to my settings app, going to Wi-Fi, and as you can see I've successfully connected to the Wi-Fi without password using the QR code. So this is how we can actually share our Wi-Fi password with QR code from Samsung Mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.